Hello students, first of all revision of previous video, what we are learn from that video. Okay, in last video we have just discussed introduction of the magnetic effects of electric current. What are the basic terms in that chapter? Magnet. What is meant by magnet? Magnet is a substance which attract the iron, cobalt particles. Okay, magnet is a substance that attract the iron, cobalt like the particles. That substance is named as the magnet. How many types of the magnets? First one is natural magnet. Second one is artificial magnet. What is meant by natural magnet? It is a magnet, it available from earth or nature. Okay, artificial magnet. Artificial magnet is available artificially. Examples of the artificial magnets like Bohr magnet, U-shaped magnet, magnetic needle, and circle shape magnet. These are all are the different types of artificial magnet. So artificial magnet has different shapes. What about the natural magnets? No shape. Natural magnets has no particular shape. What about the strength of the magnet? The natural magnets have strength is very low or weak. What about the artificial magnet? Very high strength. Strength means attractive power. Artificial magnet has attractive power is more while compared to natural magnet. Next, magnetic field. What is meant by magnetic field? This is a magnet. The space surrounded by the magnet. Okay, the space surrounded by the magnet where the influence of the magnet is present. Okay, these all are iron particles. Due to the magnet influence, what happened? These iron particles are attracted towards the magnet. So what we are understanding, the influence of the magnet is present only this area. This area is named as the magnetic field. Okay. Next, how many poles existed for each magnet? Every magnet exists poles. What are the two poles? One is north pole, another one is south pole. Okay. Next one, magnetic field lines. So magnetic field lines, this is the representation of the magnetic field, and also these lines are imaginary lines. Imaginary lines. So inside the magnet, what is the direction of the magnetic field? Inside the magnet, direction of the magnetic field is south to north direction. South to north direction. So this is the south, this is the north. Outside the magnet is north pole to south pole. North to south pole outside the magnet. These are all the points we are discussed in previous video. In this video, we are going to discuss magnetic field lines, properties. Okay. What are the properties of magnetic field lines? So first property, we are already discussed that magnetic field lines are imaginary lines. Magnetic field lines are imaginary lines. Okay. What is the use of the magnetic field lines? The magnetic field lines are used to show magnetic field present in given region. Okay. Magnetic field lines are imaginary lines. These magnetic field lines are used to show the magnetic field in given region or given area. So in that given area, we will observe magnetic field through the lines. Second point, magnetic field lines are closed curves. We are already observed in previous video, magnetic field lines are closed curves and direction. What is the direction of the magnetic field in a magnet? From north to south outside the magnet, from south to north inside the magnet. Okay. Magnetic field lines are closed curves. Whatever its direction inside the magnet, south to north direction. Outside the magnet, north to south direction. Very, very important point. This is a magnet. North direction, south, north pole and south pole. inside the magnet. What is the direction? South to north direction. Inside the magnet, south to north direction. South to north direction. What about the outside of the magnet? Outside of the magnet, north to south direction. So this is the outside of the magnet. North to south direction. Here also. North to south direction. One more loop. So these lines are called magnetic field lines. What is the shape of the magnetic field lines? Closed curves. These are called closed curve. Okay. Next point. Magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines are closed together. Magnetic field lines are closed together. Observe the diagram carefully. Where the magnetic field lines are closed? Here. At particular this region means poles of the magnetic field lines are closed together. Okay. Why? Because at poles magnetic field lines are closed together, because at poles magnetic field strength is maximum. Where magnetic field strength is more and separate where the magnetic field strength is weak. What we are understanding? Magnetic field strength is more. Magnetic field strength is more. What happened? Magnetic field lines are closed together. So magnetic field strength is more. At that particular point magnetic field lines are closed together. Here magnetic field strength is more. This point. What happened? Here magnetic field lines are closed together. Separate where the magnetic field strength is weak. If the magnetic strength is weak, what happened? Magnetic field lines are separated. Observe here. Here magnetic field lines are separated. Why? Because at this particular point magnetic field strength is weak. Due to that magnetic field lines are separated. At poles magnetic field strength is more. Magnetic field lines are closed together. Outside of the magnetic field strength is weak. That's why magnetic field lines are separate together. Next point. The tangent at any point indicates direction of magnetic field. Okay, this is a magnetic field lines at any point. This is a point. Here I am draw the tangent line. This is the tangent line. This tangent line shows the magnetic field direction. So at this particular point, what is the direction of the magnetic field? This direction. If you suppose take here, this is the magnetic field direction. You can take here, this is the magnetic field direction. So at that particular point, the tangent to indicate the direction of magnetic field. The tangent at any point indicates direction of magnetic field. So tangent at any point indicates the direction of magnetic field. Next point, the magnetic field lines are never intersect. Okay, magnetic field lines are never intersect. This is a property of magnetic field lines. This is a one magnetic field line. This is a one magnetic field line. At this particular point, these two magnetic field lines are intersect. What happened at this particular direction? What is the direction of the magnetic field? This is the tangent shows the direction of the magnetic field. Next, this line magnetic field direction is tangent. This is it. So at this particular point, what happened? Two tangent lines are shows. Two tangent lines means at this particular point, magnetic field has two directions. Two directions. It is possible? Not possible. That's why magnetic field lines are never intersect. Magnetic field lines are intersect. If suppose intersect at that point has magnetic field have two directions, which is not possible. That's why magnetic field lines are never intersect. These are all are the points, properties of magnetic field lines. What is the first point? Magnetic field lines are imaginary lines. These lines can be used to show the magnetic field present in given region. That is the first point. Second point, magnetic field lines are closed curves. Magnetic field lines are closed curves. And what is the direction of the magnetic field lines? Inside the magnet, south to north direction. Outside the magnet, north to south direction. That is the second point. Third point, magnetic field lines are closed together where magnetic field strength is more. At which point has magnetic field strength is more? At that point, magnetic field lines are closed together, means at poles, and separate where the magnetic field strength is weak. At which point magnetic field strength is weak? At that point, magnetic field lines are separate. Fourth point, the tangent at any point indicates the direction of the magnetic field. In magnetic lines, draw the tangent at any point. That tangent is indicated the direction of the magnetic field. Fifth point, the magnetic field lines are never intersect. Magnetic field lines are never intersect. If suppose there are intersect, what happen? Two magnetic directions. Two magnetic field directions are shows. That is not possible. So magnetic field lines are never intersect. Next topic, Oersted experiment. Oersted experiment. Oersted means scientist name. He has done the one experiment. From that experiment, he has given the some observations and conclusion. Oersted first he is construct a one small electric circuit. This is a small electric circuit. One battery, switch, next electric wire. This is a battery, this is the switch, this is the electric wire. When you switch on the electric circuit, what happened? Due to the potential in battery, some electric current is flown in electric wire AB. So direction of the electric current is positive to negative. So A to B. This is the direction of the current. Below the electric wire, he is placing some magnetic needle. This is the magnetic needle. The magnetic needle consists of north pole and south pole. Okay. Compare the magnetic needle with electric wire. What is the direction of the current? South to north direction. So current flows from south to north direction. Okay. So this is the south direction, this is the north direction, west direction, east direction. So current direction is south to north. So this is the current direction. Oersted scientist observed that when current I is flown in wire AB in direction of south to north direction, this magnetic needle deflected towards up direction. Up means the needle will deflected up direction, means north to west direction. This is the north, this is the west. So direction of the magnetic field is north to west direction. Magnetic field direction. So what he is observed? When current flown south to north direction in electric wire, what is the direction of the magnetic field? Magnetic field direction north to west direction, means upward direction. This is the first observation. Second observation, same electric circuit, what happened? But direction of the current is reversed. How to change the direction of the current? With the help of battery. So battery connection is reversed. So this is the negative, this is the positive. Now, what is the direction of the current? Positive to negative. So, B to A. This is the direction of the current. Okay. After what happened, Oersted is placed a magnetic needle. This is the magnetic needle, north and south. Now compare the electric wire with respect to magnetic needle. What is the direction of the electric current? Electric current flows from B to A, so north to south. Current I flows from north to south direction. When you switch on the electric circuit, what happens? Some current is flown in the electric wire AB. Okay. Due to the electric current, what happened? Magnetic needle will be deflected. At which direction? Downward direction. Downward direction means this direction. Okay. Magnetic needle will move downward direction. Downward direction means north to east direction. This is the north, this is the south, west, east direction. Current flows north to south direction. So north to south direction. This is the direction of the current. Okay. Due to the electric current, the magnetic needle will deflect it north to east direction. This is the deflection of the magnetic needle. So magnetic needle deflected towards the east direction. So magnetic field direction north to east direction. These are the two observations given by the Oersted. What are the first observation? First observation is when current flows in electric wire from south to north direction, then magnetic needle will be deflected from north to west direction or towards the west direction. That is the first point. Suppose current moves from south to north direction, then magnetic needle will deflected towards the west direction or north to west direction. That is the first point. After he is done, repeated this experiment, change the current direction. Now current direction is reversed. If suppose in a conductor current flows from north to south direction, then magnetic needle deflected towards the east direction or magnetic field direction north to east direction. That is the second point. So many students are confused in this topic. That's why I am giving the one simple trick for remembering. This trick is very helpful in exam. Trick. Remember the word snow. SNOW. What is S? S is indicated for south direction. N is indicated for north direction. O is indicated for upward or observation. W is indicated for west direction. If suppose first current flows from south to north direction, okay, current flows from south to north direction, what is the observation? The magnetic needle deflected towards the west direction. Or understand? Current, what is the direction of the current? Current flows from south to north direction, then the magnetic needle deflected towards the west direction. Now reverse. So current flows from north to south direction, what is the deflection of the magnetic needle? Towards the east direction. You can remember this word, you can easily answer in your exam. So current flows from south to north direction, what is the deflection of the magnetic needle? Towards the west direction. If suppose current moves from north to south direction, what is the deflection of magnetic needle? Towards the east direction. Observation. What are the observations from the experiment? When electric current flows in wire south to north direction, then magnetic needle deflects towards west direction. Okay, that is the first observation. Next, second observation, when electric current flows in wire north to south direction, then magnetic needle towards east direction. Okay, students, I am asking one question. When current is flows in a electric wire, the compass needle is deflected. We are already studied. Why the compass needle is deflected when current is flows in electric wire? Anybody give the answer? The answer is, when electric current flows in electric wire, at that situation this magnetic needle behaves deflect. Whenever some current is flows in electric wire, it will behave as a magnet. So when we place the magnetic needle near to the magnet, what happened? Attract or deflect. Or catch the point? When the current is flows in a electric wire, in that situation that electric wire will exhibit a magnetic property. When the compass needle is bring together electric wire, what happened? Attract or repel each other. If the two poles are like, what happened? Like poles are repel each other. If suppose two are unlike poles, what happened? Attract each other. Depending on the poles, the magnet will be attract or repel each other. So here answer is, the electric wire is behaves as a magnet. When electric wire is behaves as a magnet, when some current is flows in that electric wire, in that situation the electric wire is behaves as a magnet. That is very interesting thing is observed by the Oersted scientist. Conclusion. From this experiment he is concluded that magnetic effects of electric current. Okay, when current is passed in a conductor, that conductor is behaves as a magnet. Second point, deflection of magnetic needle depends on deflection of the magnetic needle depends on the current direction. Okay, if current direction is reversed, then the magnetic needle also reverse. Third one, the strength of the magnetic field depends on flow of current. Okay, if flow of current is increases, the strength of the magnetic field is also increase. Okay, due to the magnetic effect of electric current, our life is going very smoothly nowadays, because in electric motors or work on the principle of the magnetic effects of electric current. Due to the electric motor, our work is going very smoothly nowadays. Today we are discuss two topics: properties of magnetic field lines and Oersted experiment. These two topics are very important for your board exams. So please practice more times and understand the concept.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.